it's Elena from Baker Art. I'm going to try and forge tonight. I'll apologise in advance that my other half is watching a movie in the room next door. So if it gets too loud, I'll end up doing a voiceover. I had a lot of this pink left from another pour, so I thought I might do this as the base and then black and white flowers. Okay, so it's just normal black acrylic. I don't even know what brand this one is, just a cheap one here in Australia. That I've got mixed with PVA and water, so it's 40% paint and 60% PVA water. So my PVA and water I mix up in advance, and that's 2 to 1. So what you do is you get this mix and you mix up the PVA 2 parts, water 1 part, right? Have that in the bottle. Then when you go to mix up these, you put 40% paint and 60% of this stuff. Okay, so that's, and then you can add water. Some of them, this one didn't need any extra water. Some of the other colors I've got, I then add extra water. Okay, this I have is white house paint with Australian Floetrol, 1 to 2. So 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. And that is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to be doing little flowers. So it's kind of like a Dutch pour, but not, yeah, little separate Dutch pours on it. Okay, so I'm going to start in this corner. And all I'm going to do is layer the colours. And then just blow it out. Now, I'm not using a hairdryer. I can't seem to get it right. Now this colour pink, by the way, in case you're wondering, is just a big mixture of stuff, scrapes, leftover paints and stuff like that. So it doesn't have a specific colour, but it's kind of like a dusty, pinky, wouldn't even know how to describe it. Anyway, all right, so now I'm going to blow. On this one I'm going to try and do over the edge a little bit. Excuse the head. Okay. Yeah, not too bad. I like this, well, I'll just show you this one close up so you can see, because I think it's probably a little bit hard to. Can I just a little tip too, for any Australians, I like to use baking paper underneath my pours, and I decided, the first one I had, the first couple I bought from Coles, and they were just the Coles brand, nothing expensive. And then I was at Aldi and I bought the Aldi Goliath brand. Really steer clear from it because, yeah, look, it rips really easy. I like to scrape my paint afterwards. It rips, it gets holes. I can only use it once really. The other stuff I can use over and over and over. It doesn't tear. Anyway, just a little tip for you. Okay, so that's the effect we're getting. Really good. So obviously that's the Australian Floetrol in there that is creating all those cells and lacing. All right. So I'm just going to do, a few around. So I'll just speed it up. You can watch the process if you like, and I will see you at the end. We'll do a close up at the end. So now I'm finished. So I don't have much pink paint left, so anything I don't like, just have to live with now. The only one I don't really like, I wonder if I can push that black and just make it more, see how these have all got kind of central black and this is kind of, it's probably a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to torch it. I think I must be running out of gas. I'm going to torch it and then give you a close up. Okay, so I quite like it actually. I was just sort of standing back from a distance having a look at it. So close up. So yeah, look, we got all of this really nice lacing and cells and all sorts happening. I think the lacing is what makes it look really nice because it's got the pink background. So you've got the pink coming through as well. So, which I think is what is really kind of doing it for me. I think if it was just black and white flowers on there, it'd probably look nice. But I think this effect where the pink shows through makes it, gives it that little pop. Okay, so we will see how it dries and I will see you then. Okay, so here's the dried result. Really happy with it, love it. All that lacing is really nice there. So really love it. We'll probably try it something similar in different colour schemes. But yeah, and here is the next blank canvas, the biggest one I've done. I can't even get it up high enough to get it all in shot. This will be the colour scheme. I probably will take a colour or two out of that. It's something that I'm trying for my sister for Christmas. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. That'll be the next video up. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and get notifications for when my next one comes up. Thanks for joining me and I will see you next time.